Yeah.
It's physics.
Hi guys, welcome back to Desmark TV. If you're a new viewer, kindly subscribe to our channel and click on the notification bell for more updates. To our returning viewers, we appreciate you for checking on our channel every time. It means a lot to us. Thank you very much. And do not forget to always click on the like button and also comment on the comment section so that you can give us feedback on your reaction about the video. Thank you very much. The Grammy Award winner and artist that shut down O2 Arena 3 days was spot in the club vibing to DAVIDO Champion song. He was really dancing and showing love to the song like the song is his own. Even with the beef with the fans that WIZKID has, the WIZKID FC and the DMW fan, and even maybe probably with some issues with Davido and WIZKID. WIZKID still vibes to his song in club. He danced to his song in a normal and regular way. He felt carried away when he was dancing to the song. He's just putting up the right move to the song, the champion song that Davido just released. Some of the WIZKID fans actually made some comments. WIZKID has a cool art that Davido is still after him, is still following him, that until when Davido had a Grammy, then can still be compared with WIZKID. So WIZKID FC fans were still even outside showing love, and some were showing form of hatred, like no, Davido should have, WIZKID should have vibed to Davido's song, and some were even making pride out of it that he's vibing to the song, he's vibing to his boy's song, like someone that is much more better than in the industry, that is just showing a free will, showing a free heart, that no issues with him, that they are not in competitions together. And you subscribe to our channel and click on the notification bell for more updates. Thank you very much.
Everybody go, let's go! 91!